Hey everyone, so welcome to this channel. So today we'll see what is Snowpark in Snowflake, what exactly is Snowpark and where it is useful, its use cases, then how you can set up development environment for Python, Java. So all this we'll see in this session. So let's get started. So firstly, let's see what is an introduction to Snowpark. So Snowpark is just an API library, so which allows us to query and process data using popular languages, and these languages can be Python, Java, and Scala. So instead of writing queries in specific query languages such as SQL, you can use these familiar languages to interact with Snowflake. And this feature in Snowflake has came in preview version in June 2021. So by using Snowpark libraries, you can build applications that process data directly in Snowflake. So that is why you don't have to move your data to separate system also for processing your data, which makes using Snowpark more efficient. And also it has advantage of its serverless engine because it allows us to scale your data processing as needed and within Snowflake. That is why it is very efficient to use Snowpark. And currently it supports 3 languages, but in future it can support many other languages, but Java, Python, Scala, these are popular languages and many of developers use these languages, so it will be easy for them to interact directly with Snowflake using Snowpark. So that is what Snowpark is. Now let us see some of its key benefits of using Snowpark. So the first and most key benefit of using Snowpark is data frame, because data frame is an fundamental building block in Snowpark. So it is powerful abstraction that presents all your collection of data, and you can store all your data in data frame. So this data frame is exactly same as the you are having data in pandas data frame, but it is significantly faster than pandas data frame, and it's about to 8 times faster compared to using pandas data frame. That is why these are more efficient also to use these data frames in Snowpark, and they allows you to process your data, manipulate your data, and also you can fetch the part of your data and work on that data by storing your data inside data frame, and after that process your uh, data frame accordingly. So the second is no size limit, because it does not impose any restriction on data size. Snowflake, it supports data of any size from Snowpark also. And third is reduced data transfer. Why? Because Snowpark, it uses lazy approach. So the lazy approach is like it doesn't compute if any of the action is required. It doesn't compute. It doesn't perform any computation until you call some of the method or action on that data frame. So till that it just takes that data frame, but it doesn't perform any of the computations on that data frame, which makes it very efficient, and it also doesn't take that much time. Only if you use any of the methods such as show, there is show or collect methods that you call on data frame, and that time only that data frame processes the data. If you don't call these methods, then that it doesn't perform any computations. So this way it follows lazy approach, which makes it more efficient for using Snowpark. So these were the key benefits of using Snowpark. Now let us see how you can set up your development environment. So firstly we'll see for Python, then I'll explain for Java also. So for Python, supported versions of Snowpark API are 3.8, 9, 10 and 11. So firstly, previously it was only supporting 3.8, but now it has extended its support to 3.8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so now we'll see. So to install the Snowpark API in your development environment, you need to install the Snowpark API package. And to install this, you need to use this command pip install Snowflake Snowpark Python, and you will get your Snowpark API for Python, and you are ready to go to work on Snowflake using Python. After that, you need to create one session to connect to your Snowflake account. And for that, you need to firstly set your connection parameters. And in connection parameters, you need to give these connections such as account, your username, then password of your Snowflake account. So these are required. These three are required, and these four are optional. If you want to give, you can give. Otherwise, only these three you can give: account name, then username and password. After creating this dictionary, you need to pass this dictionary to station.builder.configs method this way, and call create method on it, and this way it will establish new session from your development environment to your Snowflake account. So that's it, and you are ready to go, and you can work on any application using Python, and you can directly work with Snowflake. Now let us see for Java how you can set up your development environment for Java. And for that, the Snowpark API, it supports the version of Java is 11.x, and there are two ways to use this Snowpark Java in your development environment. So the first one is using Maven project. So you can create Maven file in your project, and you can add directly dependencies in your Maven project. And the second is you can directly download the jar file, whichever file you wanna use for your application, and you can work with Snowpark Java. And this is the main package where all your main classes are there, that is com.snowflake.snowpark Java. Using this class, you can work with Snowpark API. After that, you need to create session. So the creation of session is same as we do in Python, but here there are two ways. One, you can add your all credentials into one file and use config file method and add that file, or you can directly add create one properties map, or you can add that map to your configs, and this way it will create new session, and you are ready to go working with Snowflake using Java. Now let us see where it is useful. So Snowpark is designed to be useful in various use cases because of it really helps in processing big data applications. So I have mentioned some of the use cases where it can be beneficial. So the first is data transformations, because it really helps in processing big data within Snowflake using the languages of your choice, such as Python, Java, and Scala. Also, it helps in advanced analytics. Then there is one use case in data science, because data scientists can leverage Snowpark to explore, clean, and process data using their preferred programming languages. Also, for ETL pipelines, it can be useful. To ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. So you can use Snowpark to extract your data, then transform that data, and again load that data. So, and it also eliminates need to move data across different systems. So in ETL pipelines it can be useful. Then for real-time data processing also Snowpark is useful. Also it is useful in serverless data processing, because as we know Snowflake is SaaS application, it is cloud based, so it eliminates the burden of infrastructure management also. And training in machine learning models, this can be very useful for training machine learning models. So these are some of the use cases for Snowpark. Now let's see what are the advantages of using Snowpark. So the first most advantage is familiar language and tool. You can use any your language of your choice. Then it is useful for AI and machine learning use cases, which makes it more powerful tool for handling such big data applications. Then it offers robust functionality for data transformations, which allows users to manipulate and process data efficiently. And third is you can write code using your familiar local tools such as Jupyter, VS Code, IntelliJ. And after that, you can all your data is processed and computations are performed within Snowflake. And you can work on with any data size, so which makes it efficient for using Snowpark. There is no restriction on data size. So that is about what is Snowpark in Snowflake. In the next video I will give you demo for how you can actually set up your development environment for Python and Java also. So if you I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.